Now I'm ready to assemble my clock. As you can see, all of the pieces have been cut out. So I'm just moving them into place, positioning them where I would like them to be, ready to glue them on. Once I'm happy with the placement of all of my pieces, then I can move on to using the glue. Oh, my mini dress was a little bit low. Going to be using this liquid cement. Remove the lid and place your brush into the hole. When it comes out, you won't be able to see it because it's clear. You simply paint around where you would like your plastic to join. This glue works with a capillary action, so that means that the liquid is sucked under between the two parts and are fused together. There's a chemical reaction occurs where one piece of plastic melts into the surface of the other. So all you need to do is to lightly paint. It does dry quickly, but if you accidentally move one of your pieces, don't worry, because you can slightly shift them about. So carefully paint. You don't need too much of this glue because, like I said, it sucks underneath the capillary action. Just make sure that's all glued on. Painting around really carefully the edges of my mini bow. Don't worry if you get any of this on your hands because it only works on plastic, so it will have absolutely no effect on you. Now I'm going to make sure these mini dress is level around the edge, and I'm going to carefully paint the Tensol liquid cement glue along the edge. That's in place now, so I can carefully go around the outside. And then of course I've got my little white dots to do. Carefully painting around them. Nearly done. There we are, all done. Now I can shut the glue, pick my clock up, whoops, slide it off, I can't quite pick it up, and there it is glued on. So the next thing to do, of course, is to add the clock mechanism. But there's my mini so far.